is filled up with water. The entire place is being inundated. In fact, if we just see, the place is...
Dadar Chowpatty, and you can see the waves here can tell you how the difficult situation across the Mumbai is, and it is consistently raining. Across Mumbai, and we are reporting from eastern side. This is Mulund West. As my video journalist is showing you, this area is completely submerged in water. The commuters are facing difficulties to navigate their ways. In fact, this is a prime location. We are situated in Mulund West, and one can see even the vehicles passing by are facing severe difficulties to navigate their ways. And here one can understand that through the rain, it is a heavy downpour which has resulted in massive waterlogging, and one can see that even BMC has been claiming that they are ready with the monsoon preparedness, but it is all falling flat. In fact, as I just move by, this entire road is filled up with water. The entire place is being inundated. In fact, if we just see, the place is totally submerged in water, and basically all the vehicles are facing difficulties to travel from the place. It's continuously raining in the city of Mumbai since overnight, and we are present right here at Dadar Chowpatty, and you can see the waves here can tell you how the difficult situation across the Mumbai is, and it is consistently raining since morning and also overnight. We have witnessed it, and as far as the latest update from IMD is concerned, it will continue to rain heavily in next 3 to 4 hours in isolated places of Mumbai and its districts surrounding suburban and city areas. In fact, Palghar, Thane are the areas of concern which are being announced as red alert, and moreover in Kolhapur of Maharashtra, flood situations can be witnessed. And as far as these visuals are concerned, you can clearly see the high tide that is taking place currently, and because of this, the consistent rain is definitely causing waterlogging situation on the road across Western Express Highway and Eastern Express Highway. Moreover, the central and the western railway lines are running 10 to 15 minutes in delay, and what we can understand is that the air traffic seems to be also affected because of the low visibility. And this is the current situation in the city of Mumbai, and definitely it has been advised by the authorities that if not required, please don't come out of your houses.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.